Hadith of our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in awthaqa urud Islam, that the firmest handholds of Islam, and yuhib fillah wa tuhibba fillah wa tubghad fillah, that to love for the sake of Allah, to dislike for the sake of Allah, that loving for the sake of Allah is from the firmest handholds of this deen. And that, as we will see, what Imam al-Ghazali is going to do is that he's going to give us the understanding of what love of Allah means, and then by extension loving for the sake of Allah, because love is part of the human condition, that human beings, that we have the ability to love, and that this is one of the beautiful aspects of the human being. And there's many different types of love that we experience as human beings. That there's a special love that someone has for their parents. There's a different love that they have for their sisters and brothers sometimes. There's another love that they have for their children. There's another love that they have for their friends. And then there's other types of love that we experience, mundane types of love, right? People love their cars, their brand new M3s that they drive fast in. They love their houses, they love their jobs. There's all kinds of things that we love. This is part of the human condition, is the ability and the capacity to love. And like everything else in our deen, is that there's also a sacred type of love that is a much higher degree of love, in which if that takes place and uproots these other types of love, it puts them in context and connects them to this sacred type of love. And that's something that's possible. So that when we say loving for the sake of Allah, that people tend to think that, there's not love there. And if you look at the hadith of the Prophet, what was his sunnah? Is that if you actually tell someone, because you're supposed to, that if you love someone, you're supposed to tell them you love them, your brother and sister. And that if you tell them you love them, right, that I love you for the sake of Allah, what are they supposed to say? أَحَبَّكَ الَّذِي أَحْبَبْتَ مِنْ أَجْلِهِ. May the one whom you love for his sake love you. And that someone might say, wait a sec, no, just say I love you back, right? It's one of the ways to test, do you really love that person, or do you not love that person? Because that there is a difference between loving for the sake of your own self and between loving for the sake of Allah Ta'ala. And it's a very subtle difference, that it's oftentimes not black and white, and there's different shades, in a sense, is that the stronger that one's iman becomes and the more that these meanings become rooted in their heart, the closer that it gets to being connected to this sacred type of love.